Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lady Zion Mother's Creativities. You are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my Italian macaroni garnished with so many vegetables. So just stay tuned as we go into this video. Before we introduce our ingredients, I would like to put my macaroni into the water that is here already. So this is the macaroni I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using two types of macaroni. The smallest size, big side as well. I love this macaroni and mine. As in, we so much love this type of macaroni. So I'm going to be adding this one to it because of Serenity. Even if her fork could not able to get this, but it will take this one. So I'm going to be making these two type of macaroni. I'm going to mix them. My water is hot already. I'm going to place this macaroni into the water, the two at the same time. We are going to boil the macaroni for some minutes, and before it gets ready, I would like to introduce all the ingredients that I am going to be using for this delicious and garnished macaroni. So without taking your time, guys, let's go right to the ingredients. The first ingredient I have here, first of all, I have my 3 tomatoes, my 1 onions, my zucchini. We call it zucchini here in Italy. And this is my pori. This is so good. I have my 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't know if I'm going to be using the 2. After slicing it, if it's too much, I will remove because of Serenity. And I have my garlic. And the second ingredient, I have my green bell pepper. My green bell pepper, all these things have been washed just for me to slice it. I have my green bell pepper. I have my carrot. I'm going to be using 3 carrots. I have my fagioli white beans because this is Italian food. I'm going to be using 2 of these. And I have my chichi, which is Italian food. I hope you guys can see this. I have fish here, fresh fish. You guys know I love fish. You say, ladies, what are you doing with the head? I just want to eat this head of fish. I'm going to fry it and eat it. Just eat it alone. So, and this egg, I'm going to be adding it. I'm going to add it inside it so that everything will cook together. And this fish, I'm going to slice it to be small, what Italian call pezzettini. Because I could have used turkey or chicken for this recipe, but I have been eating chicken, turkey this time, so I have decided to concentrate eating fish this time around because you know we when us a bit do sports. So thank God, say God no to give us fat body, so we don't know what we they eat. So I don't want to continue eating chicken and turkey this time. I just want to concentrate. So you can use any meat of your choice, as in how any meat of your choice to cook this recipe. So this is the fish I'm going to be using. And this is my extra virgin olive oil as usual. This is so good. Oh my God, I love the aroma. The aroma is looking like shrimps. So I love the aroma so much, and I always add it to my macaroni. This is so delicious with macaroni. So if you have not tried this, try it. My crayfish, I'm going to be adding crayfish, yes. But I told you it's Italian fresh one. So I'm going to be using dry one. And this is my salt. This is my mango cubes, so 1.5 in this recipe. And this is curry, black pepper, rosemary, and ginger. And these are the ingredients that is mixed there. And this is it. This is ginger, black pepper, and the rosemary. These are the 3 ingredients I mixed there, apart from the curry. And these are the few ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe. So before we roll into this video, let's do what we have to do. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. And in this channel we do cooking recipe, lifestyle, and skincare, how we can beautify our beautiful face. So if you are interested, in case anytime I put on a new video, you will be the first to notify. It takes absolutely nothing for you to subscribe. The reason you are subscribing is for you to be getting notified anytime I put on a new video. Make sure you on the bell button. Thank you. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. You are the best. May God continue to bless you all for always tuning in, for coming back to watch my video. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's roll into this video. Stay tuned. So guys, as we continue to enjoy watching this recipe, I would like us to talk much into this video. If you watch to this extent, I just want to say thank you. I want to say may God Almighty bless you for watching my video from starting to the end. I just want to say thank you. Oh my God. And I also want to use this medium to appreciate all my subscribers, my amazing supporters. The word is not enough to appreciate you guys. I just came to say I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. You that share my video, you that watch my video from the starting to the end, you that click into my video at all. May God Almighty bless you. You that like the video, oh my God, I just want to say thank you. You all know yourself. I don't want to mention it so that I will not miss out anyone. So I said thank you. Oh my God, I don't know how to say this thank you, but I know you guys understand that I'm saying this from the deepest parts of my heart to appreciate you. Continue to do your good work, and good work has reward. Oh my God. Thank you so much. And I also want to apologize if I have missed up some premiere of your video. I was so busy with some duties of family, so I'm so sorry, and I make sure I catch up to any video that I miss. And I miss your premiere, but I'm not going to miss the video. I will try my best to check out those videos that I miss. And please, if you want to support anyone, keep supporting genuinely. Not that someone will just miss one of your video, you will be angry. Oh my God, all those kind of people, for me, I don't need them, because before I get to off someone's bed, or before I get angry that someone is not coming to me, I will know that I have tried my best, like my best to please that person, like going to her, going to him, going to her, going to him. And if he's not doing what he or she's supposed to do, I find my way to other places, because no one created YouTube for the sake of anyone. We all are just like supporting each other genuinely. Like before you create your channel, you didn't create it for one particular person. So if you are supporting somebody and the person is not coming back, or you are tired, just do what you have to do, or do what comes out from your mind. Everybody have choice. Like me, I support genuinely. I support as much I can support, the way I can support. So if you are supporting, please be genuine. Not that someone who have been watching your video, someone who have been coming to you, maybe he just missed one of your premiere, and not that he missed your video, you will be angry. You will just miss almost 4 of that person's video. That is unfair. It's not good anyway. But what I know is that we did create our channel for just one particular person. So let us continue to do our best and leave the rest for God. So I want to say thank you all. May God Almighty bless you. Stay blessed and stay safe. So this is the end of this video. So delicious. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoy watching and you enjoy what you just, please do give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.